Abstraction mechanisms. Introduction. Classes. Introduction. Classes. Concrete types, abstract types, virtual functions, class hierarchies. Copy and move. Copying containers, moving containers, resource management, suppressing operations. Templates. Parameterized types, function templates, function objects, variadic templates, aliases. Advice. Introduction. It informally presents ways of defining and using new types, user-defined types. In particular, it presents the basic properties, implementation techniques, and language facilities used for concrete classes, abstract classes, and class hierarchies. Templates are introduced as a mechanism for parameterizing types and algorithms with other types and algorithms. Computations on user-defined and built-in types are represented as functions, sometimes generalized to template functions and function objects. These are the language facilities supporting the programming styles known as object-oriented programming and generic programming. This tour presents C++ as an integrated whole, rather than as a layer cake. Classes. The central language feature of C++ is the class. A class is a user-defined type provided to represent a concept in the code of a program. Whenever our design for a program has a useful concept, idea, entity, etc., we try to represent it as a class in the program so that the idea is there in the code, rather than just in our head. In a design document, or in some comments. A program built out of a well-chosen set of classes is far easier to understand and get right than one that builds everything directly in terms of the built-in types. In particular, classes are often what libraries offer. Essentially, all language facilities beyond the fundamental types, operators, and statements exist to help define better classes or to use them more conveniently. By better, I mean more correct, easier to maintain, more efficient, more elegant, easier to use, easier to read, and easier to reason about. Most programming techniques rely on the design and implementation of specific kinds of classes. The needs and tastes of programmers vary immensely. Consequently, the support for classes is extensive. Here, we will just consider the basic support for three important kinds of classes. Concrete classes. Abstract classes. Classes in class hierarchies. An astounding number of useful classes turn out to be of these three kinds. Even more classes can be seen as simple variants of these kinds or are implemented using combinations of the techniques used for these. Thank you for watching.